It's Aaron from ABR Creations. In our last tutorial, we learned how to make the double crochet. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to make the slip stitch. For your convenience, I have posted a link in the description which will redirect you to the previous tutorials which I have created in case you have missed them. So, let's get started. So to make the slip stitch, first we'll start off by making a slip knot. Okay. And we'll start off by chaining, let's say 11. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay. So we'll skip the first chain and insert your hook into the second chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. You should have two loops as if you're making a single crochet. But instead of yarning over, we'll pull the loop which we just pulled through the first loop on our hook. This will create a tight stitch called the slip stitch. Okay? Then we'll continue in the remaining 9 stitches. You should have 10 slip stitches by the end of this row. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here's our last one, 10. So congratulations, you have now learned how to make the slip stitch. Finish off by cutting your yarn. Oops, sorry. Chain 1 and pull it all the way through. You have now learned how to make the slip stitch.